In this video, I'll show you how to find when you became friends on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notification to the channel for lots of educational content like this. Now, if you want to know when you and someone became friends on Facebook, right? You're not looking to your Facebook account. So what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna scroll down gradually. So you can see me and Anita Sharma are friends, right? What you're gonna do right now for you to be able to see when you have become or when you became friends with someone, you're gonna click on these three dotted icons, right? Okay, I'm gonna right click my mouse. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna do this. Okay, so what you're gonna do right now, you're gonna hold on to this profile, right? If this thing come out, you're gonna click on this three dotted icons. You're gonna click on the see friendship, right? So you and Anita Sharma, things in common, your friend since September 2024. So me and Anita Sharma has been friends here on Facebook since September 2024. So this is how you can see when you and someone became friends here on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.